morning from at home day. The sun is just starting to rise over the ridge behind us, and we are doing an at-home cleaning today for two main reasons. Number one, so the last time we switched the rooms up for the girls, the youngest two were 10 and 12, and now they're going to be 13 and 15 this year, and we want to redo some things in their room. Number two, Matt and I are going to have one night alone together. We don't have money to go to a hotel, but we're going to have like one night just us. My mother-in-law is taking the kids, so I kind of want to get the house started on some good cleaning before that, so that when Matt and I are here for 24 hours or less than like 12 hours, then we can have just relax. We don't have to worry about like cleaning up a ton around us. So that's just kind of our goal today, is number one, to get their room updated for like a teen room instead of a tween room, and then number two, to get that fresh start and get it started the process of like, so that we're not cleaning all week, and so we can still just enjoy time together before the kids go off to my mother-in-law's on Friday. One of the problems we're having is they have more like older kids stuff now, like cameras and sketchbooks and things like that, and stuff just keeps getting like shoved around in their room. But now like we really need to just take everything out, rearrange, and figure out the best way to utilize that space in there. So we're starting with completely stripping their room out. It may just turn into just their room day, but while we're doing their room, the older two are going to be working on the kitchen, and then they're going to be making food all day. They love cooking though, so it's all good. I actually told them they could play with the waffle maker this morning, so we're going to see how that works out. And our waffle iron actually flips and can be panini maker, so maybe they want to play with that with some homemade flatbread. I don't know, we'll see. But let's get to coffee, number one, and then number two, let's get to just clearing the room completely out and starting from scratch. Vacuuming has taken place. I actually was going to mop, but I forgot that I don't have a mop right now. I totally forgot my mop handle had broken. I could mop, but it would have to be by hand. And Matt and Madeline just went to go get dinner, so that, because in the process of them doing this, Matt and the oldest two did this. So this was pot up with pots and pans, a lot of stuff you see here. This has all partially been cleared off already. And they were working on just catching up pots and pans where we've been busy. The dishwasher we already run once as well. Plates are easy, the dishwasher runs, but like we just haven't. I think especially whenever we were told not to wash dishes when we were in the freezing temperatures, that kind of helped us get behind as well. But they were able to catch all that up. That needs rewashed. But this counter's clear. They're gonna go get dinner while we finish up the next part of their room.